Guess what Lily got today? She got a new toy. Oh, no. I want to show them. First. That's her new toy. It's like a little gator or crocodile thing, but it has no stuffing. So even if she breaks it open, no stuffing will come out. It's like, it honestly feels kind of like a wire too, but it's not wire. Can I touch it? No matter where you touch it, it squeakers. And she loves it. She was alone today, so for a while, so she got a toy because she was so crying, my girl. Oh, oops, okay. I'm not gonna help you. I was gonna help you. Oh, my little precious girl. I saw so many cute things that I would love for her to have, but she just won't use them. What's on your head? What is this? Wait, come here. There's something on your head. What is that? It's like paint or... That can't be... That's not blood, is it? She's not bleeding. I don't know where it would come from. It's like makeup or something. It's weird. It's red. I polished my toenails, but I don't think that she got into that. Can I put that up? That's strange. She chased Jasper. I bet Jasper got her. And she has a little streak of blood across her forehead. I'm going to have to get a wet wipe and clean her little head. Did Jasper get you? That could be the only thing that it is, because she did chase him just a minute ago. I told you it's not Dobby. Anyways, I saw so many things at the store that she would be so cute with, like beds and doggy chairs and just so many cute things, but I just know she won't use them because that's her bed right there, she thinks, when she's up and about. And then the bed is her bed too. You're not thinking about that. You're thinking about your yourself. Well, there you go. Oh gosh, she's so cute. You're trying to tear it open, I can see that. I can see that. Let me go get a wipe so I can wipe your little head. That was what it was.
She's not okay. Haven't you noticed? Relax, all right? I'm keeping her happy for a reasonable price. Drive from Becca into it. I won't let you call Carla as well. They've been sending you an SOS as far as...
She's watching this show with me. I'm watching Elite on Netflix. Spanish drama. Mystery, murder mystery. Gosh, it's good. It's so good. Ridiculous. Not for children, that's for sure, but it's good. Are you getting your little crocodile or gator or whatever he is? Are you getting him, honey? Huh? Let mommy help you? I just want to see him really quick. I want to show everyone. He's so cute. See, he's got little teeth and... Hi, Callie. Hi, Calico. And that's it. Big party Saturday night here at Lily's Palace. Ouch. Sweet girl. Okay, say night-night. Night-night. She's already gone out for her walk. I'm walking her. Oh, are you still bleeding? Blood on your head still. I'm gonna touch it in case it hurts. He got you good. You can't chase all the kitties. I told you Jasper doesn't like you. He doesn't want to be your kitty brother. Sweet girl. Oh my gosh, she's holding it with her hands. Is she? Hold it with your hands, sweet girl. Oh gosh, you're the cutest little baby in the whole world. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. I'm walking her earlier than usual. There's been times that I've been painting or, you know, just up, usually doing something with paint, and and when I was sick too, I would take her out sometimes at midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning for her last walk. I live in a subdivision in a very small town in Central Florida. He got you even, let me see the side of your face. Oh, baby girl. You did get it. That kitty got you. Oh, sweet girl. I know she's not supposed to mess with the cats, but she doesn't know. You're so silly. A neighbor, I live in a pretty small area in Central Florida, kind of outside the bigger area, and you would think that it's nice and quiet, and it is quiet, but there's crime. And one of the neighbors posted on their Ring doorbell something that they caught, and I'm gonna put it for you. So anyways, it's just a hand trying to cover up the Ring doorbell of a neighbor's house at like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and it's really scary to me because I'm out sometimes at midnight or 1 o'clock in the morning with her, but never again. By 8:30, 9 o'clock, the very latest right now, while it's still summer hours, summer time. The only reason I'm out at that time and it's dark is because my neighbors are still out. You know, their garage doors are still open and they're kind of in and out. But at midnight, of course, there's no one out except for obviously bad people. So I won't do that ever again. So we've already been out and it's not even 9 o'clock. And we've already been out. She's had her final walk. I'm feeding her earlier. So she's had her walk and she's ready to settle in for the night, right? That's a good girl. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go get your toy. It's behind you. Go get it. Get it. You better get it. And I'll put the video up of what I saw and what scared me into setting the alarm all day when I'm home, making sure it stays on, and making sure that we're not out past 9 o'clock at night, because there's nothing but bad people out there, right? I don't want to live in fear, but I don't want to be confronted by someone like is in the video, because I don't know what his intentions were, but I'm sure they weren't good. Right? Right, sweet girl. Okay. Okay. So say night-night. Night-night. Pretty girl.